Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to change your device ringtone volume, you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we can do it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button on the right side of your device and click here on the settings icon. And now just to change your device ringtone, you should by the same way swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger, and then to confirm your changes click here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.